So this is the part 5 of this video. So we just finished here Google Slides. So we just start from here today. So just make coffee from there and just go into here. So this is the logo. I have to make it. How can I do it? Just easy. I have to share. I have to shape like this, and this is the summer. So the circle. So I just make it rectangle like this. You know, this is the color like that. Okay, and just make it copy about this, and then make it smaller, something like that. Then something like this color, and it's neat, something like this. This is too much, I think. I need to just something here, and this would be, doesn't matter. So just I need to have all of the shape, bring it font, and you can see the difference. So I think it needs just something here. Sorry. Okay, this is what do you think about? Put it like this. Make it under it. Something like that. Okay, I'm happy with that. Now make it circle. One circle right here. Okay, don't worry about it. Just put a color, something like that, and put it here, and then make it another copy, and a little bit bigger, like that, and copy it both. Just make it bigger. Okay, I'm happy with that. So you can just put it in here, the middle. Okay, now what can I do? Just make copy something like there, and then I need to somewhere I need to cut this. And just what can I do? Just select it, and any of these two you can make. So I want to make just separate like this. Just minus it. This white turn into the white color, and then to make this into separate. Okay, so this is the whole color, and I think it will be zoom it and do it. So are there any problem here? Yes, there's some. I mistake it, so it doesn't matter. Take your time and do it. So it's over. Just change the color. Okay, that's one. Just color something like this. Again, make a V. Something like select it, and I drop it to. Just copy it again. And the shape. Just try to put to make a selection. Make a last one. Just it's done. Okay, there's some mistake. I need to red color it. So this is not perfection because this is like smaller. So take your time, you get the idea. What can I do? So this is the font, Google font logo. Now make it in the next one. What it does, Google Group, just copy it here, and like here. I didn't organize the before, I need to organize. Okay, So now we can make it. Okay, so now the rectangular do something like that. Okay, now just take you can do it any color tool. So I make it like something here and here, and I need to just make it a pathfinder. Just add file add and make it compound for control and 8, press Ctrl E, and the main plot we just made. And what can I do? Just right click, then transform, reflect. Then we have to just vertically just copy it. Just you just make it 2. So I have to just the bottom one need to go bottom, so it's just bigger, something like that. Okay, and then change the color with something like this gray color. You can make it just highlight it. Okay, so right click and arrange it, send to back. It is going just back like this, and it's not nice. I need to just okay, I'm happy with it. So now what can I do? Just 3 corner, just select the 3 corner, just hold and shift, just click it, press here and here, and just make it corner. Sorry, make it corner. And I think it is perfect. So I think I don't need it corner. It is so sorry. I think I don't need this corner. Yeah, a little bit. Okay, it's done. So I think it is something. We just make it a bigger. Okay, so what can I do? Just make it something like that. Naturally. Again. So we just hold and shift and just press upper. Yeah, okay. So it is almost done. Just change the color. Okay, it is pretty good, I think. So now I made it something like this. So we just make this color for like white. Okay, and something like I just make this one. Put it here, and I think this will be a little bit above. Okay, and this one it will be smaller, something like that. Okay, so now we just look on this 3. Okay, to just is not perfect. It is not perfect. So just make it there. Okay, it is good for me. I need to just okay, it's done. It is done. Just make it smaller. Make it something like that. It's not too big, not too small. So now the lip still. Make it something like that. It's not perfect like that. So we just get the idea. So I just need to corner this too, something like here. Okay, it's okay. Okay, now Control C and Control F. Something here. I need to just font, and this need to be smaller, something like that. And then you can play with the opacity, something like, okay, 50%, 55%, and select it and hit the center. So this is not perfect. You need to do something play about that, something like what, something like, I just make this shadow roughly here. Doesn't matter what the big one, and something like here. Okay, I just like to play it, and just need to just gradient color and make it like this, and just reverse it, and then what can I do, just make it opacity will be 0%. Okay, and now this back into the all over the back. Okay, and fine with that. And now let's play it there. Just need to smoothness. I think it will be better. Okay. Now we want to make it like 55%, 25%. So it is good for me, I think. So this is just group it. Now let's see here. It is done. It is done. Take your time and make it perfect. I just show the idea. So it is 12 minutes. I just make it on another, like Google Health Study, something like copy it. Next, Command P. It's something tricky. Can I do it? Okay. Can I do it? What do you think? How can I do that like this? So not confused. I just make it copy any of this color, just select it, and then make it copies. Okay, I just extra copy here if something need in future. Okay, just copy it. Okay, interact, another copy this. Sorry, what happened? Just copy it. Okay, so this is the idea. And now I have to make something like that. You do make one, just have to make one. So what can I do? Rectangular tool, and then something like that. Okay, and then okay, just center it. Just center it like this. Just press it here. Okay, just Command B. I think I have to place it right there. So what happened? Clicks, and then I select it, and then okay, it is done. Now the cup. Just make it copy. Is that okay? What do you think? I think you need to small or something. Okay, just still small. Just made it something like that. Okay, it is okay. And now what can I do? Select it and make it something like that. Just unite. It is now one path. Okay, so just select it and this corner. So you just need to this one and this one, like what, and also this one and this one. Just like that. Yes, it is something like that. So now I just need to okay, it's okay. So place into here, just top of it and change the color. What? it's something larger than other. So there is any no changes. I just manually pick it like that, and you can see the difference. Can you see the difference? Yes, I think you see. So something. Oh, I have the Google color over there. So what can I do now? Delete it like this, and just copy it from here and put it something here, and then what? Just something like that. And also, what can I do? Just go to and select it into here, select it like that, and then also put it like this, and I change it to some lighter color, something like that. Okay, it is done. Now what can you do? Just delete it again, copy it, alt, press Alt, center, it's tricky. Okay, not easy. Is it perfect? What do you think? I think it is good. Now with the faces red, then again just separately do this one, and then the right with chance into something like that. Okay, I'm happy with that. So it's done. What that was the Google Help study. It is done. So you get the idea. How can you do it? Just make it something like that. Okay, so for this tutorial, just 3 make we have uploaded just 17 minutes. So that's for today, and we will see the next from there to solve the kind of the design. So that's for today. Make sure that hit the subscribe button, and so thank you very much, and that's for today.